How to change the currency on Ryanair. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can change the currency on Ryanair. So what do you do first? The first step is to log in into your Ryanair account. Once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, this is how the home page looks like. Now on this page, you can see different options, right? Such as flights, car hire, hotels, events, and activities. And then by the time you scroll down, you can also see different offers available on the Ryanair account. Some of these offers are so juicy and very important, you can endeavor to try it out. Then once you can see all of this, the next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen, or you can see the up icon, and then you can see the country icon. Now one thing I must let you know is that the country in which your account is being displayed is what will determine the currency being used. All right, so for me currently the country being displayed is United Kingdom, and then because of that the currency used is euros. All right, so if I want to change the currency, I will just go ahead and change the country. So I can now check out all of the countries available here, and then some of them include Belgium, Bulgaria, Denmark, Bulgaria, Netherlands. Okay, I'll just go with you know Ireland, and then once you've done that, the currency as well will change. Okay, so that's how it works. So this is how you can change currency on Ryanair. Thanks for watching and do have a nice day.